Sulgi, you got a neck brace? What's happening? Baby, not baby MV. Wait, she's serving. Why is she got a neck brace? What is this? What is this? Okay, serve that neck brace. Oh, don't get hit by the car now. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Oh, is she a vampire? What the fuck? Oh my God. Did she just came out of nowhere? That scared the shit out of me. Oh. What you do again? Oh, free hugs. I saw this. Ah. You don't want a free hug from Sulgi? Oh, well, that switch up is crazy. Baby, not baby. I'm so fucking sorry. Oh, ew, what was that in the camera? Oh, 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 she just dancing. And he's just cleaning as he should. Wait, what's happening? What? Damn, she's going hard. Oh, she being chased the way she ran. Oh, now baby. Very 2000s feel too. Wait, they don't love? Oh, that's a heel. Oh, her shirt says, wait, they don't love you like I love you. Ah. Oh. What the hell? Midnight snacking? A Sulgi. Baby. Ooh, the vocal. A free hugs. Ooh, she looked good though. Oh my God, she's serving though. Ah, they are like vampires. Baby, not baby. Whoa. Holy shit. Sulgi. Accidentally on Purpose is her second mini album. Oops, she did it. She did it again. Sulgi quality is top tier for real. Oh my God. I like this. I like that she's going like into this like dark concept direction too. The whole fly thing is kind of crazy though. Let me chill this edit. The edit was crazy in this too. What's up, Rafi? How you doing? Sheesh. Can I see that ending again? This is something. Ooh. The vocals in the background too. The outfits too. God damn. Woo. Woo. lighting in this too is fire. I like the, what is it, an M? Like the symbol. Is it a bat or an M? It kind of looks like the Majin symbol for some reason. Oh, it's S and G. It also looks like an M. I kind of like this. I like this symbol. It looks like a Batman signal as well. Oof. Looks better in her performance. I'll link it. Okay, I'll check that out later too. Damn, SEULGI. All right, y'all. Put a comment down below. What you guys think? Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. SEULGI, goddamn.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now.